Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil 3 Nemesis game not launching, crashing, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. After your system restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back and select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue continues again and again, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, click on OK, finally launch the game and check. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After that, go below and from here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Once you open it, you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. Once it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC and after that, try to log into the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to go to settings. After that, click on Windows update. Here you have to click on check for updates and now you should check if there is any update available, and if there is an update, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. But after following all the methods discussed in this video, if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Resident Evil 3 Nemesis game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on Resident Evil 3 Nemesis game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.